সম্মানিত উপস্থিতি, এই পর্যায়ে একটি ইংরেজি বক্তব্য নিয়ে আসবেন আত্রা একাডেমির চতুর্থ শ্রেণীর ছাত্রী উম্মা হাবিবা।
Good morning, esteemed guests, judges, honorable teachers, and beloved classmates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Ummah Habiba. I am a student of class 4 of this institution. Dear present, first of all, I'd like to thank you for joining us with wonderful experience and a spot to share among us. I also want to thank you for giving me the great opportunity. Today, I'm honored and humbled to say something in front of you on the occasion of my monthly program by organizing the Pramurkur Academy. Today, I would like to speak briefly about the remarkable life of Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab, the second Caliph of Islam. Born around 540 in Makkah, Umar was initially the affairs of Ummah of Islam. However, his conversion to Islam became a turning point as he brought strength and confidence to the early Muslim community. As a caliph from 644 CE, Hazrat Umar's leadership transformative. He spread the Islamic into Persia, Syria, and Europe. He established the best well administered the state. His governance was marked by justice and humility. He introduced critical reforms, creating a welfare state for the poor, building infrastructure, and ensuring that the right of all, including non-Muslims, were protected. Umar's died tragically in 644 CE when he was assassinated while leading a prayer. Despite his legacy endures, he remains a symbol of a strong, just leadership and continued to inspire Muslims around the world. Thank you.